Ever wondered what happens when your Monzo balance hits zero? Or if you even have the option to dip into the red? An overdraft can be a super useful safety net for those times when an unexpected bill arrives just before payday. Unlike a loan, it's designed for short-term borrowing, and Monzo's approach is designed to be simple and transparent. But how do they actually work? Let's break it down. First, you need to be eligible. Monzo does a soft search on your credit file to see if they can offer you an arranged overdraft. A soft search doesn't impact your credit score, and if you're eligible, you can apply directly through the app. You're not forced to take it, it's completely optional. If you're approved, you can set your own overdraft limit up to the maximum amount Monzo can offer you. This limit can be as high as £3,000, depending on your credit history. The best part? You're in full control. You can change your limit or switch it off completely in the app at any time, as long as your balance isn't overdrawn. So what's the cost? Monzo charges a variable interest rate, which is a big change from the old daily fee system. Your specific rate will be 19%, 29%, or 39% EAR, or effective annual rate. You'll be told exactly what your rate is before you use the overdraft. The interest is calculated daily on the amount you're overdrawn and charged on the first of the month. You'll see the interest build up in real time in your app, so there are no surprises. This system means the sooner you pay it back, the less you pay in interest. What about unarranged overdrafts? This happens if you go over your arranged limit or if you don't have an arranged overdraft and your balance goes below zero. Monzo will try to reject payments that would take you into an unarranged overdraft for free. However, some offline payments, like those for public transport, can't be stopped. Monzo won't charge you extra fees for being in an unarranged overdraft, but it's not a good idea. Staying in the red without an arranged overdraft can negatively affect your credit score, making it harder to borrow money in the future. Monzo's overdrafts are all about giving you a flexible, transparent tool for managing your money, but they're not for long-term borrowing. Think of them as a quick financial buffer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.